Ciao Tesla people, today another road trip to San Polo in Chianti, which is a very small town between Strada in Chianti and Greve in Chianti, so still in the Chianti region. Hopefully there should be a church and a castle. Hopefully they're open to public. Sometimes these castles are being converted to hotels or restaurants, that kind of stuff, or they're private, so not always you can see them. Anyway, I'm going to do a time lapse of the road from I think from Impruneta to San Polo, and let's see how is the ride. Today the weather is pretty good. There are some clouds, but it's 24 degrees Celsius, so it should be nice. And let's see how it goes. In the meantime, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, okay? See you in a bit. So I just got to San Polo in Chianti, and here is the church. Funny part of these churches is common architecture is that the bells are on a tower. You see? It look like a castle tower. And this is a small church. Unfortunately, it's closed. It would be cool to see inside. Let's go to check it out. And there should be a castle somewhere here. I think you can see it from there. There is one down there. I don't know if you can see down there. And then there is one up here. And there's another one, you see, down up there. And this is because this region of Chianti, which is, if you look the Chianti towards the south, on the right side there are all hills, and on the left side there are the beginning of the Apennino Mountains. And so this region of the Chianti is they call the Castle Chianti region. Okay, because it's full of small castles, which are, of course, private, and most of them are converted to restaurants or hotels, and they do convention and weddings, all that kind of stuff. Okay, it's pretty cool. Lots of it's green, very, very green. I like it. So let's go to check it out down. That's a nice house on there. And here's the chapel here. Very cool. I'm going to take some pictures later. Very nice. There it is. And it's closed, unfortunately. Very small, but very cool. Nice, I like it. Oh. And down here there is the view of the town. And that's it. So I'm going to go to the charger to charge a bit and then take it out. Here, there is another castle down there. Okay, pretty nice. So I'll see you in a bit. So I just started charging here. There is an AC charge from Enel, and everything was right. The app started, and there's only one AC type 2. The other one is Chadomo, so I could just charge it here. Anyway, pretty good. So I'm going to leave it here, take a walk around, and maybe eat something. I'll see you in a bit. So I'll stop the charge. Charging. Stop the charge and unlock the port. So I charge 8.5 kilowatts, which is okay. I was planning to charge more, but the restaurant is closed, so I have to go to another place. And I'm planning to do some more road that way. We'll see how I get there. Okay, so I'm back home. Everything went right. The road trip was great. We stopped to eat something in a restaurant in another town, not in San Polo. Unfortunately, even if there was a long weekend, things were not open because it's a Monday. Well, it's okay for next time. And everything is alright. So please subscribe to the channel, put a like, turn on notification if you're already subscribed, and check out the links about Tesla and the links about the accessories that I install on my Model Y, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.